Hello friends, and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this video session, what we are going to do? In this video session, we are going to install a kalilinux official repositories on our machine, okay, on our kalilinux. So for that, what we are going to do, we have to simply open the terminal, okay, this is what our terminal, and then we are going to go inside the /etc/apt/sources.list file, okay, list file. We are going to edit that file. So sudo, of course I am using here a nano editor, so sudo nano /etc/apt/sources.list. this is what the file, okay. And here what we are going to do, as you can see, this is what our repo link, okay. Simply we are going to add the repositories, official repositories. So simply I am going to close this repository. For that, simply we have to add here hash, okay, as you like this way. This is what our by default repository is now open, okay. So we are going to add a new repositories. So simply add here hash, okay, then go to the down, and here I am going to add a official repositories of our kalilinux. So simply I am going to copy this link, these two links. I will mention these two links inside my description box. So simply you have to copy it from description box, copy it, and then paste inside the file /etc/apt/sources.list. you have to copy and just paste inside here, okay. Then Control X, press Control X, press Y, and save it the file. That's it. We have successfully saved our official repositories link inside the /etc/apt/sources.list file, okay. Now we have to just run the command sudo apt-update, okay. It will update the repositories. Then of course we need to upgrade our kalilinux, okay. But first we have to update the repositories, okay. Now we have successfully updated. Now what we are going to do, for upgrade the machine, for upgrade your kalilinux, suppose you are on kalilinux 2020.3, okay, and you want to upgrade the kalilinux with 2020.4, okay. So how we upgrade it? Simply run the command sudo apt full dash upgrade, okay. Sudo apt full dash upgrade, and we have to just hit enter, and it will, as you can see, it shows the latest packages, okay. Just a minute. It shows all the latest packages which we want to upgrade, okay. So if I want to upgrade the packages, just click on yes, and it will upgrade the packages with latest version. For that we need here these official repositories, okay. Then you have to paste these repositories inside sudo/etc/apt/sources.list. this is what the file. Then you have to update with sudo apt update, then you can upgrade with sudo apt full upgrade, okay. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.